Hi everyone, my name is Franklin Olumbulan from the regular Combine PLN class 2019. In this time, I would like to share to you about the material of the day from my English excitement. It's about how to stop fire in a workshop. Okay, just go first. If there is a fire in a workshop,
There is the fire in the workshop. Make sure everyone is at a safe point outside the fire. And then stop the machine. The next step is to call the supervisor. And the fourth step is turn off the main switch. And the fifth step is take the fire extinguisher from the wall. And then read the instructions on the extinguisher. And the next step is point the extinguisher at the fire. And finally, the last step is extinguish the fire. That's all the way to stop the fire at work. Hopefully useful and thank you.